Toby's cooking in the kitchen tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Guess what we're making? Toby, what are we making?
But they're nachos.
The nacho cheese?
The nacho cheese.
No, they're the, what is it? Pico de gallo tostitos. Okay, we're starting with pico de gallo flavored tostitos. And we got the nacho cheese.
Nachos.
Yes, it's tostitos. We got, this is Oaxaca cheese. Oh my God. It tastes like bocconcini cheese, but in a ball. So, we got this chicken, grilled chicken that you buy here.
On the street.
On the street.
100 pesos.
100 pesos. For chicken. So we added the nacho cheese, the Oaxaca cheese, pineapple.
Onions.
Taffy's saying, I'm not getting any, and I'm upset about it. What, Taff? Yeah, no, you're not going to get it. I'm sorry. You can't have the nachos.
They're nachos.
It's nacho cheese. Yeah, you can get some chickpeas later. Yeah, I'll give you some chickpeas. Yeah, I know, it smells really good.
No more sangria for you either.
Yeah, we made sangria today. Oh my God.
She didn't get any sangria.
Where's the tequila we're using? Tequila, where are you? ¿Dónde estamos? Fandango. It's good tequila. In the oven. Taff, it's in the oven. Don't burn your nose. When in Mexico, eh?